Hello students, this is Sumit Kumar, Assistant Professor, BB Department, Mawari College, Ranchi. I am here in front of you with the new lecture session on the topic system design. In the last session we have discussed about the conceptual system design. Now in this section we are going to deal with detailed system design. Conceptual design serves the basis for designing detailed MIS. The main objective of detailed system design is preparing a blueprint of system which meets the requirements of conceptual design. Detailed system design involves the following: output design, input design, processing design, storage design, procedure design, data communication design, documentation design. Output design may be on the screen, on the paper, or in other media like web. These are the most visible part of any system. The purpose of output mechanism is to present data to user in such a way it's easily understood by him. Following are considered by analyst. Determine what information to be presented, decide whether to print, display, or speak about the information, selecting the output medium, presenting information in an acceptable format. Next is input design. Inputs facilitate the entry of data into the system, which may be in the form of highly structured data and unstructured data. The main objective of input mechanisms is to simply and easily capture information for the system. The basic principle for input design reflects the nature of inputs and the ways to collect them. The system developer has to identify those data items which will be input to the system. The source of data must also be identified because authority of output depends upon authenticity of input. The data should be inputted into system in time because only then output can be generated. The input volume also needs to be considered, and it depends upon the processing of data, which can be of two types: batch processing, real-time processing. Keystrokes. The system developer tries to minimize the number to keystrokes required to enter into data because keystrokes cost time and money. Data capture. The system should be developed in such a way that it easily identifies new data to be inputted. Form design. Sometimes forms are used in a system to directly input and capture data. Coding methods. For entering routine orders, entering a 5-digit code for customer name is preferred to customer name. Next is about processing design. It specifies the various stages that would convert input data into outputs. It deals with processes which are related to computing and decision making. Processing design is concerned with finding the solutions for following problems: the main function allocated to computer, input mode and equipments to be used for input of data, output required, and how they will be produced, computer files to be extracted and their storage space, programs specifications, procedures to be followed, staffing and organization required. Storage design. Data and information are stored into files and their organization is important as per the requirement of users and constraints. Types of files which are part of storage design: lookup file, static values which are listed to validate fields in master file such as pin code of any location. Transaction files. It contains information required to update master files. History file. It contains past informations related to historical transactions which are no longer in need. Now we move to the next kind of design, procedure design. Procedures are rules, standards, and method designed to increase the effectiveness of system. The procedure which are considered important in design phase are as follows: data entry procedure, error handling procedure, security and backup procedure, software documentation procedure, runtime procedure. Next kind of design is data communication design. The purpose of communication design is transfer of data from one location to other. System analysis defines users and system requirements for communication of data. With communication design, data can be distributed, duplicated, or shared at different locations. Next, after all the design, all the component design are prepared, design document is prepared. It contains details of all the phases of system design. It contains descriptions of existing and new system. It also have details of input and output layout. The details of design constraints, list of data files, and list of programs are also part of design document. It contains user manual, procedure manual, operation manual, time estimates, testing requirements, and control techniques. Once the design document is prepared, it's reported to management. System report is prepared by the designer. The report should include objectives of system design recommendations, cost estimates and benefits to be achieved by system design, a plan for activities yet to be executed. So dear students, for support I will share the notes of this session in our group. Hope you will like it and will help you clearly understand the topic. Thank you.